Hello guys, review Infinix Hot 50i, this version 4GB memory and 128GB internal memory storage. Open box and look, completation. In completation we have device in the silver color. Okay. And we have protected back cover, adapter for charging, Type-C cable and documentary. Double camera on the back side, LED, on this side power button and warm buttons, front side 6.78 inch display, slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory, downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Okay, turn on device. We have display IPS 120Hz Full HD resolution. Open settings. We have XOS version 14.5.0 and Android 14. HD resolution, sorry, we have display, 5000 mAh battery, open Geekbench 6, talk about system information, yes, HD resolution. We have CPU MediaTek Helio J8081 and GPU Mali G52. Look results, single core score and multi-core score, and GPU test results. It doesn't have. Look Antutu. Antutu benchmark results. Okay, close this. PUBG Mobile works on the medium graphic level, and now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.